Hey everyone, welcome to our lesson for today. I'm excited for you guys to complete this lesson. I just wanted to go through what you're going to do today. Make sure that you complete all of the portions in yellow. So here you're first going to write the objectives. So our objectives for today are that you can analyze the impacts of fake news in our society, and you're going to do that through your launch. And that you can find sources to help you answer your research question. And today you're going to be looking through all of your sources to help you organize all of your sources for your final research log. So first make sure that you complete the daily participation log, and then you're going to complete the launch, which is this You Pick 2. So you're going to click on this, and you are going to be able to pick two of these following options. You can either play a game, explore fake news on social media that you guys see, watch an Edpuzzle on how to avoid fake news, or listen to a short podcast about fake news. So you're going to have choice in this launch. And then after you complete the launch, you are going to move on to research. So if you are confused about any of the research steps or feel like you don't have all of your research sources or feel like you're behind, you can review them here under this makeup page. And this gives you lots of resources. For example, here are tutorials and materials that you can look back at to help you remember how to do the things that you might have forgotten or that you might need to refresh. And then you're going to complete the final research log here. And you're going to copy and paste all of the research logs below. What you'll see is here you can watch the how-to video and look at the exemplar as well. If you have any questions, please email me, and I hope that you enjoy class today.